Hi, my name's Peg. I'm 63. I'm an artist, classically trained. I have been powerlifting since I was in my 20s. I have been a world record holder for years. I like to snowboard, scuba dive, shoot guns, sail, horseback ride, etc., etc. I took a fall a year ago, November, and got a bone contusion. It was really painful. I didn't get any painkillers. I ended up getting a PRP injection, and finally they put me on prednisone. I was doing really good. I just finished my rehab, was on my way home from rehab for my last session, and was hit by an Uber driver that ran a red light. They found torn labrum, missing cartilage, or torn cartilage, I guess. Not able to work out, not able to sleep comfortably. Driving a clutch was really, really hard. All the things I love to do, I just wasn't able to do anymore.
Results.
I did, like I said, I did a PRP. I did have one cortisone shot. I'll never do that again. I got absolutely no relief from that whatsoever. All he wanted to do was a hip replacement, and I wouldn't be able to do the things I love because of my stature and my size. And a hip replacement, all my stances are wide. Snowboarding's wide, deadlifts are wide, squats are wide. So with a hip replacement, you really can't do that wide stance. There's a lot of stem cell out there, but this one is very specific on them being live. And I think that is part of the key from what I've read, because I've had friends that have had their own stem cells used, but they're in their 50s, and they really got nothing of it. There was nothing came from it. Be positive, everybody at the center was nice. I like Dave's confidence a lot. And I really liked that it was on live x-ray, because I could actually see it being done, which that might not be good for some people. For me, I loved that. I thought it was great. And it wasn't painful. They numbed it, and there was a little pressure, just this little bit of pressure, because they're putting fluid in there, so of course it's got to go somewhere. But it didn't hurt. I was never uncomfortable with it. Next day, my leg was starting to relax. I could already tell. And then a week and a half after, I had put an 1.5 inch circumference back on my leg where it was so atrophied. About 2.5 months, I can squat again. So before this, I wasn't able to do it because it was just too painful. So that's huge, especially after that short of a time and as severe of an injury as this is. I think this is the future. I think it's life-changing. I think especially if you're an active person or somebody that's just not ready to give up your life and you want to stay young and you feel good everywhere else but like a specific area. I think it's so worth trying. And if somebody my age and as bad as I'm injured can get this kind of result. I think about people, my age or a little older even, that are having trouble just walking. I think this could be huge for them. This gives them their life back, and I still like driving a car with a clutch, and I wasn't able to do that until just a few weeks ago. I can do that again. I miss my hot rod, so now I can get back out in it and drive, and it's great. And I don't get out like limping around like an old lady. It's really nice. It's freedom. It really is freedom and independence again.